Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to talk to you about commercial insurance and what you need to know for your landscape business. That's the no problema. First and foremost is commercial auto. And if you guys are running around with your personal trucks and you have a personal line of insurance on it, it's probably not going to be covered if you back into something, or if you're plowing snow and you plow into something, it's probably not going to be covered. So first and foremost, I encourage you to get commercial auto. It's not much more than personal auto. Second type of insurance is general liability. 99% of the companies out there that you're going to be bidding on for bigger properties, apartments, condos, stuff like that, are going to require you to have general liability policy of at least $1 million. And you need it to match your commercial auto, or you should. $1 million limit on your commercial auto, $1 million on your general liability policy. And that covers, the general liability policy covers you if you, or one of your guys weed whip a stone into a window, or you hit a building with the mower, or you hit a building with the snowplow. That's going to cover that. So definitely get the general liability policy. And if you guys, you're dumb if you don't. It's going to cover your butt if something bad does happen, and it will. The bigger you get, you can't control everything that your guys do, and they're going to be out there and they're going to hit stuff, and they're going to become lazy, or whatever the case may be, or just an accident. So and the third type of insurance that you're going to need, that a lot of places ask for, especially management companies and stuff like that, is the workers' comp policy. Now, if you guys are solo and you're out there working by yourself and doing these commercial properties, smaller commercial properties, maybe like a little strip plaza or something like that, and they require you to have a workers' comp policy, and you don't have one, you can get one going. It's $750, $800, $900, somewhere in there, for an if any policy, which doesn't cover you, doesn't do anything for you if you get hurt, because you're the owner of the business, but it shows them that you have that coverage, and then you can get the job and sign the job. So and it's good to have, and with that too, you're going to get an audit through the insurance company once a year, most of the time, for that. And they require you to have show your payroll. That way they can assess the workers' comp policy, and it does go up. The more employees you have, the higher your payroll is. The workers' comp policy will go up. So those are the three types of insurance that you're going to run into. The general liability policy, I've seen them $1,000, and it all depends on your credit score, your insurance score, and the type of work that we do. Obviously, landscaping or lawn care, snow removal. And I encourage you to go with an independent agent. And I would just type into Google independent insurance agent and then your area. It will pop it up, and I would go with like 3. I would try 3 of them. And the nice thing about the independent agents is they actually shop a multitude of companies, so they'll get you the best rate. And then I would go with 3 independent insurance agents. That way you have a huge pool to pick from. And I wouldn't go with the cheapest insurance agent. I would kind of find one. You can even Google reviews, and your biggest thing there is not really the coverage. It's being able to contact the agent easily, having them call you back right away. If you guys have an issue, you want them to be really on the ball. So a lot of times you can Google review them, or there's a ton of platforms that have reviews. You guys know 5-star reviews. You want an agent that's easily accessible. You want them to be able to call you back. You want them to be able to walk you through processes and walk you through, like, if you have an issue and you hit a car, or you get in an accident, or your guy throws a stone through the window. You want them to be able to walk you through that process. And you don't want an agent that just kind of like put you by the wayside, and I'll get back with you, and it takes 2 or 3 days, because a rock through a window or something like that, your customer wants to be assured that things are going to get handled in a timely manner. So guys, if you guys have any questions about this, now I'm not a licensed agent by any means. This is just information that I've acquired over the last 15 to 16 years. So this isn't my first rodeo. So if you have any questions, now some of these things are gonna differ from state to state, but it's pretty much, insurance is pretty much not a straightforward game, but like I said, I've been doing this quite a while. So if you guys have any questions whatsoever, leave a comment down below. Like it, so I know you like these kind of like informative videos. Share it with all your friends and other guys in the industry. And guys, we'll see you next time.